Hello my Dotty family and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art and hearts. I'm Zelda from the Faerie realm and today I'm going to show you how to do the planning of a beginner's heart rock design. If you are brand new to my channel, please go and have a look at the fundamentals playlist first to get you started on exactly how I work, and then you can come back to patterns like this one. So what you're going to need to do the planning for this is your heart rock, your ruler, your compass, your chalk pencil, and your stencils, be it the rubber one you found on my Etsy store or the temporary one that's also available on my Etsy store. If you are looking for the mold of this heart, you can find it at the Happy Dotting Company on Etsy. Else you can draw a heart on any surface that is the size of, let's see here, that's 9.5 centimeters, which equates to 3.7 inches. And then just under where we have this section here, that equates to 3.8 inches. And also about 9.5 centimeters. The first thing we're going to do is divide our heart in half. So where it comes together here and where the end point is, just mark those out and then connect it. Then what I also want you to do is where the heart starts bending downward, okay? I want you to draw around that so we can have those lines. So you'll see you've got a flat surface and then it just starts bending. So from here it starts bending downward. So on this corner just before it starts bending, that is where you're going to draw the lines. All the way around. Okay, so mine is coming a little bit way too in here, so I'm just comparing the two sides. Okay. If you really want to see if it's in the right place, you can place your ruler. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay. Then I want you to measure from the top here down to about, let's say, just under 3 centimeters, so 2.9 centimeters, okay, or that will be at 1.1 inches, and that is going to be where your center mark is. From there we are going to draw a circle, so make sure that it goes to the top corner of the heart, and then that will give us a nice circle that we can work with. Then we're going to take our stencils, just lining the center hole up with the center, and then making sure those straight lines I drew, that I can see them through there. Then we're going to draw a 12 section design. So from the inside, it will be the first, second, third circle. And then we're going to mark all of those holes. Or you can use the temporary ones, which you can get from my Etsy store. And from here, we're going to connect it from the center outward. And that one's already there. So those two are going to fall onto those straight lines we've already drawn. So I want you to draw them, don't stay just within the circle, go all the way to the edge of the heart. And then I want 1 centimeter intersections So 1, 2, 3, 4 is falling on there, and that will be 0.4 inch marks, and that is where our circles are going to fall. Let's stick my compass in there, make sure it's nice and sturdy, and just draw circles. Okay, that one's already there, and then where my fourth one was going to be, I'm going to continue and make sure that it gets the outside of my heart like that. And that is the planning for this design. So this is the color palette I decided to go with for this design. These are all neon colors. So I have a yellow green on this side, green, pink, and then like a pink orange color. And this I'll be referring to as color 1, color 2, color 3, and color 4. So you can follow this design with your own colors and then just use those colors in that order. So that concludes the planning for this design. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay dotty, stay magical, keep well. Bye bye.